Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your image in the background doesn't take up the entire screen or you want to adjust it on Streamlabs OBS. And this could be really easy to do. So you can just drag it around just like this by holding it. And then you should have the options to make it larger or smaller. Maybe you're doing like a webcam with like a game in the background or something like that. You can just move it all over the place. Now, how do you get this back to being large? Right click on it and go to transform, and you can go to fit to screen, and that's going to return it to its original state. Otherwise, if you go to transform, you have other things like center on screen, center on horizontal. Then you can flip it to, if you want to flip the vertical or horizontal angles here. And then we can go to where it says rotate 90 degrees or 180 degrees right here. So we have all these different options. We can go to edit transform if we want to move the position. So it says the height. So I can go up or down with this one. So you can stretch it out other than just your typical 1920 by 1080, whatever you have under here. So if you want this a little bit longer, because it looks a little bit long, well, you can maybe adjust it in those settings right there. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.